2, 1, power up!
All right, here we go. The Central Illinois Regional is underway. The Robotics putting a power cube, into the scale. Red has control of that thing in autonomous. Early advantage for the Red Alliance as we enter into teleoperator mode. Drivers now have control of the robots. 2 minutes remaining in this match. Robotics placing a third cube onto the red side of the scale. Red also owns their switch. Blue owns their switch. Remember, it's all about getting those power cubes into the 3 different scales. The tall one is actually called the scale in the middle. The 2 short ones are called switches. Both alliances are going to battle for ownership of that scale in the middle of the field. And each alliance has ownership or gets points based on the switch on their side of the field. Either they get points or nobody gets points. So advantage red now as we count down a little more than a minute to go, 67 seconds remaining in the match. You get 1 point for every second you own one of the scales. So as the red scale is completely, or the middle scale is owned by red, they are getting 1 point for every second that red owns it. That's a lot of points accumulating. Meanwhile, over on the blue side of the field, you see Dirt 2040 putting some cubes in. They now have, blue has ownership of that switch on the blue side. So they are getting a point for every second that they own it. And over on the red side, blue also owns that switch. So red gets no points. Blue doesn't get points for owning the red switch, but red doesn't get any points. So 1 point per second is going to red, 1 point per second is going to blue. As we see the points accumulating up on the real-time scoreboard. We're counting down to the end of the match and teams are starting to climb. We got 5 seconds to go. 1 blue robot hanging, that's Dirt 2040. 1 second remaining and time expires. The real-time scoring on the board shows a fairly close score.
It was a close one, but in the end, the win goes to the Red Alliance. Our final score, 265 to 251.